Hello again, thank you very much for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Galley RV Fifth Wheel and Toy Haulers. Today we'll be taking a look at the Catalina, Coachmen Catalina 29TH. Go ahead and follow me, we'll take a look inside. As you can see here, these have the very nice solid step entry, folds up into the door. And then to your left will be the bedroom with doors on either side. A lot of storage, a closet room on both sides. And then as you come in here, your television entertainment system with storage above and below. You have your U-shaped dinette, which converts into a bed with storage on either side. And then over here, ton of counter space. Nice sized double sink. And a lot of space for storage up above and below. And then this one has a Furrion oven with a 3-burner cooktop. And a Greystone microwave. Also a very good sized fridge. And as you come back here, this opens up into the restroom. And then you step back into here, into the garage area. And as you can see on either side, you have couches that fold up flat against the wall. When these are down, the couches will sit up flush with the wall. This is your entry ramp. And the nice thing about this is it folds out flat using these cables, and then you can push out a handrail system so you can have a back patio. Go ahead and follow me outside, we'll take a look. Follow me around the back side here and I'll show you the ramp. These here, nice simple latch system. Pull this back, lift these up, and they fold out to the side. And this folds out either for the entry ramp or folds flat for your back patio. Here's your power plug-in, wastewater holding tank, sewer outlet connection, cable satellite connection. And here's your freshwater connection and your outdoor shower. And then your dual propane tanks up front with a power tongue jack. Thank you again very much for clicking the link. Again, my name is Chris McAndrews. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at the Coachmen Catalina 29TH, give me a call or shoot me a text at 541-731-8583. Thank you very much. Have a good day.